Hi guys, I'm gonna show you a fun experiment with static electricity using a balloon. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have fun! Now, I'm gonna rub this balloon on my dress. Very hard, so it can stick like this because of static current.
Awesome. It is sticking to the wall without falling down.
Yep.
Cool. Let's see. There's no stickers here.
No, not
There's
even
no
a blue
sticker,
tag.
nothing.
Not even a blue tag.
Do it again.
The harder you do, the perfect it works.
Mm.
You can do it on your hair as well.
Yes. That's nice. Look.
And it can stick anywhere, even on this.
Even in the wood.